Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to attempt to install the snorkel and side mirrors from the Defender onto the tactical body. Now I have no idea if this is going to work or not, so we're going to give it a try and we'll see what happens. The part number for the mirrors and the snorkel, 8020. I think I paid about $7, so very inexpensive. I was actually going to use these for my Proline Jeep body, but I ended up finding the axial Jeep side view mirrors. So I have these extra, and I thought they might look kind of cool on the tactical. Alright, so inside the pack we have the snorkel, we have two mirrors, we have the mirror stickers, we have the hardware, and we have some inside mounting brackets. So I'm actually going to look at the Defender and see how these go on. I have the Defender body. There are two different types of brackets. There's the smaller bracket, which would be on the American driver side, the European passenger side. And there is the larger bracket on the opposite side. So the European driver side and the American passenger side. Confusing as heck, but alright. Let's get this thing going. So I'm actually going to tackle the hardest part, the snorkel. So I am not sure again if the snorkel is going to fit, but looking at the bodies, it's not too far off. And from a side view, maybe you can see it a little bit better. So looks, I don't know, doable. We'll see. So all I'm doing here is just using a body reamer to make a hole for myself to put the snorkel in. Okay, so I have the snorkel on. I'm going to go ahead and try to put the back mounting plate on and line up where the mirror should go. Okay, so I made the holes for the rear view mirror. They're kind of sticking in there. And it's kind of how it's going to look. I don't think it looks too bad, really. So I'll go ahead and get the inner side bracket and the snorkel mounted up, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it looks like it worked. Everything's dark, so it's really hard to see, but yeah, it came out pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and get the other mirror put on and just tweak the snorkel a little bit. This is designed for the Defender, so I might have to play with it a little bit, but not too bad so far. We'll see. Alright, let's get the other side on. Alright guys, so I kind of like it. Adds a little something to the tactical body. I'm going to go ahead and put on these super realistic mirror stickers and finish this off. Alright guys, so one last thing I think I might do is on the Defender, the snorkel attaches to the exo cage here. But on the tactical, there isn't an exo cage. So I'm going to just go ahead and put a screw, I think, just right in there. Okay, so the small set screw is in. Just used a real small screw to get that in, and all done. Not too bad. Yeah, so shot from the back. I had the parts laying around. It's raining, and it's my truck and I felt like doing it, so there you go, snorkel and side mirrors. Alright guys, so that's about it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.